Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to turn off game mode on iPhone. So if this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. So to turn off game mode, as a first step I'm gonna open any game, and now game mode is on. To check this, we can swipe down from top right corner, and on the top of the control center we can see the name of the game with the word game mode. So we can click on this panel, and here we'll be able to control game mode settings. Now it is on. As you can see, we can see status on and the icon is blue. And when it's on, background activity is reduced to optimize the performance of this game. So to turn it off, just click it once to see status off, and the icon will become gray. That's it. Now game mode is turned off. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.